Good morning, students. Today I will teach you the remaining part of Indigo, class 12th English, chapter Indigo. Listen. Impressed by the sharecropper's tenacity and story, Gandhiji said, "I have to be in Kolkata on such and such a date. Come and meet me and take me from there." Months passed. Shukla was sitting on his haunches at the appointed spot in Kolkata. When Gandhiji arrived, he waited till Gandhi was free. Then the two of them boarded a train for the city of Patna in Bihar. There Shukla led him to the house of a lawyer named Rajendra Prasad, who later became president of the Congress Party and of India. Rajendra Prasad was out of town, but the servants knew Shukla as a poor yeoman who pestered their master to help the indigo sharecroppers. So they let him stay on the grounds with his companions. Gandhi, whom they took to be another peasant, but Gandhiji was permitted to draw water from the well, lest some drop from his buckets pollute the entire source. How did they knew that he was not an untouchable? Here is an explanation of this paragraph. Impressed by the sharecroppers' tenacity, the story Gandhiji. Gandhiji was impressed with the determination of the peasants. He said that he would be visiting Kolkata after a few months and that Shukla should meet him there. On the date that had been fixed, Shukla was eagerly waiting for Gandhiji. When Gandhiji got free, यहाँ देखिए he till Gandhiji. When Gandhiji got free, they took a train to Patna. Then they went to the house of a lawyer, Rajendra Prasad, who later became the president of India and the president of the Congress Party. When they reached there, means Gandhiji and Shukla reached there at the house of the Rajendra Prasad. When they reached there, he was not there, means he was out of at home. Rajendra Prasad was out of at home, but the servant allowed both of them to stay at the grounds because the servants knew Shukla. They all knew him because Shukla used to assist their master in helping indigo sharecroppers. They did not allow Gandhiji to draw water from the well because he knew that Shukla was untouchable and Gandhiji also will be untouchable. So servant did not get permission to Gandhiji to draw water from the well, because if a single drop of water falls from his bucket, the entire source of water would be polluted. This is the explanation of this paragraph. And further, Gandhiji decided to go first to Muzaffarpur, which was en route to Champaran, to obtain more complete information about conditions Then Shukla was capable of importing. He accordingly sent a telegram to Professor J.B. Kripalani of the Arts College in Muzaffarpur, whom he had seen at Tagore's Shanti Niketan school. When Gandhiji realized that Shukla was not able to give complete information about the conditions of the Champaran, then he decided to go first to Muzaffarpur to meet his friends whose name was J.P. Kripalani, and J.P. Kripalani was the professor of the Art College of Muzaffarpur, whom he met at Tagore's Shanti Niketan school. Before departing from the house of the Rajendra Prasad, they sent a telegram to the professors, and after that both of them took a train from Patna to Muzaffarpur, and that train arrived midnight at 15 April 1917. And when the train reached at the platform, J.P. Kripalani was waiting eagerly to Gandhiji along with his students, and Gandhiji stayed 2 days at the house of the Professor Malkani, and who was a government teacher. During that time, nobody gave permission to stay at their homes who belongs to supporter of the home rule. Means any person who supports home rule, nobody gave permission to stay at their home. So Gandhiji stayed 2 days at Kripalani's house. So it was extraordinary things in those days. And next paragraph. The news of the Gandhiji advent and the nature of his mission spread quickly through Muzaffarpur and to Champaran. Sharecroppers from Champaran began arriving on foot and by conveyance to see their champion. Muzaffarpur lawyer called on Gandhiji to brief him. They frequently represented peasant groups in court. They told him about their cases and reported the size of their fee. Listen, here is now I am going to explain this paragraph. The news of Gandhiji advent. When the news of Gandhiji advent and the purpose of coming at Muzaffarpur were spread throughout the Muzaffarpur, and all the sharecroppers came to meet their leaders and also want to inform their conditions to Gandhiji. And Muzaffarpur's lawyer also came to meet Gandhiji because the lawyer wanted to disclose each and everything which is related to the peasants, and lawyer express all the matters about the peasants, and they also express the condition of the cases which was running in the courts and the amount of their fee. When lawyers expressed, they took a huge amount from the peasants. When Gandhiji heard peasants were also suffering a lots of problem. In spite of this problem, you are taking a huge amount of fees. So Gandhi ji scolded lawyers to give a huge amount of fees. Okay, thanks. And next day I will teach the further paragraph. Thanks.